How to remove beta version from iPhone iOS 17 without computer. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to remove beta version from iPhone iOS 17, firstly try to force restart your device. To force restart, quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button, and finally press and release the power button until you see the Apple logo. Don't release the power button when you see the slide to power off slider. Keep holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once it appears, you can release the power button. Now go to settings again and then tap on general and then on software update and see if the beta version has been removed or not. If the beta version is still not removed, in settings itself tap on general and then scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then on erase all content and settings. Make sure to make a backup before erasing the content and settings, and this is how you can remove beta version from iPhone iOS 17 without computer. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.